A new day, hopefully a new fixing. So here we have, my dear friends, a piece of technology from 1995. I mean, it was made in 1995. This is a DOD 866 Series 2 gated compressor limiter. You know, this is a pure analogic compressor, gate, and limiter. You know, those times were amazing about the development of audio technology, and DOD was one of the most famous compressors. 866, it somehow remember the 286 or something, the BX classic analog compressor. It's no data here, no numbers, nothing. Well, this one is coming from a local radio station. You know what's funny? They are still using this in their rig. Of course, with all the new ultra sophisticated software and everything related to today online and everything, but they are still using this guy because the sound, it's amazing nice. What's wrong with this particular one is the channels are not equal. So something wrong obviously with the potentiometers, maybe with the input, I don't know, something inside there. It's very possible, since this one was, as long as this one was made in 1995, so if you consider it's almost 30 years ago or something anyway, it's very possible the capacitors, the electrolytic capacitors to be ruined, So we're going to take a look at those guys, of course. But for the beginning, let me hook up this little frequency generator, and we're gonna use let me see, we have some more possibilities here, and I think I'm gonna use 1000 Hertz. That's kind of standard in the audio industry, sinusoidal 1000 Hertz. Let me have my, okay, there we go, wires and wires. So I'm getting so crazy about wires, All right, this is my oscilloscope here, kind of noisy, but still a good machine, very nice. Now, for the beginning, let me hook the generator. Okay, stay with me. What we got here? Do we got any signal? Of course not, because we don't have power. And now I just power on. Okay, let's go back here, channel 1. AC coupling, of course, and there we go. Let's measure these guys. So I have a 164 frequency there. Let's go to 1000. Come on up. There we go. Yeah, almost there. Okay, that's 1000 Hertz, and we have a peak 408 millivolts. Shall we make this bigger? Let's make it. No, that's too big already. Okay, so I am 10 times here, probe 10 times. Okay, we are good to go now. Measure. Oh, of course, we have 5 volts there, way too much. 272, let's go down a bit, and there we go. 120, maybe a bit more. 102, right, 106. All right, so we have this set. 1 kilohertz with 1 volt. Let's plug this guy. Mains, please. I hope it's working. They said it's working somehow. Power on. We have a couple of LEDs. What? Nothing? Compress. Stereo link. Compress. Okay. So, there is no pilot lamp, so it's kind of strange. Anyway, let me see what we got here. We have the input on this channel, channel 1. And where is my output? The output is right here. Okay. Of course, we have a 5 dB input on this channel. Let's see what we got at the output. You see, I'm getting everything here in the middle, because anyway, gate, gain, All we care is about the gain. You see, that's the gain. And the output. Everything else, we just let it in the middle. I don't know what kind of curve is here. Compressor to minus 10 dB ratio. It's 4:1 attack. But anyway, I didn't push the compress function yet. Let's see what we got here. Oops. Haha. So we have a 2.64 volts at the output with everything in the middle. Okay, gain at +6. Something wrong with the potentiometer? Doesn't look. There's the output gain, which doesn't affect anything. Maybe if I push and compress, nothing. So we are on compressing now. What we got here? We got gain. I don't see any modification here. Oh, no, my mistake. That's the output. Now we are talking. So we have a... Okay. Now let's see, do we have something to do? Oh yes, of course. The output is working. It's really amplifying. Did I touch anything here? That's funny. Let me take a look. Of course. 960, come on up a little high. 108, of course. Yes, I touched that without my will. So with a maximum gain here, we have 6.64. Okay, let's go to the other channel. And here we have the output, and here we have the, what is the input? Right here. Same. Everything same. Everything in the middle. And maximum output. Gain. And of course, 6.24. No, 8.16. What? 8.16 with, what is the gain in the middle? Everything in the middle. So here on this channel with the compress on, compress off. Okay, now I got it. So the output is working only when the compress is working. 2.64, no, absolutely identical. 2.64, 2.6, absolutely identical. So what I'm thinking for now is just a matter of probably potentiometer contacts, you know, in between the things, or maybe the jacks, you know, the TRS jacks. Okay, compress on, and we go up to 9.12 volts. Okay, gain on 6, and this is on maximum plus 18 dB. All right, let's see the other channel. Compress 8.32. Yes, it's identical. Okay, so nothing to do for today. It's looking like they are absolutely identical. Nothing wrong. Maybe it was their connection or cables or something. Anyway, as long as we are here, let's take this down and let's take a look inside. Maybe we can see something obvious. We never know. But for now, this is very clear. There's no difference in between the channels. I think this is the top, and probably these two guys. Maybe this one needs also to be unhooked. Yeah, right, and another one here. Wow! You know something? We can make it like this. If you don't want to collaborate, I will help you. Yeah. And finally, it's mine. And there we go. Look at this piece. Beautiful. And what's nice, we have a hole in here in the potentiometer, so we can very easy insert some contact spray. Yeah, where is my So what we got in here, we have a lot of operational 353s LF KA393, okay? Let it dry for now and we'll do some audio test in part 2. The point is that I don't have enough cables now, so I have to make some cables for this guy. You know, DOD 866 series 2, hopefully will be back in service after all these things. See you with the next part, and in the meantime, of course, like always, please subscribe, please like, and of course be creative and have fun. Bye bye.